everyone, this is Namrata from IvyProSchool and welcome to our Power BI series. Today we will be learning about a very important topic in Power BI, which is creating calculated fields or calculated columns in Power BI. So let's first try to understand what is a calculated field. A calculated field or a calculated column is an extension of a table using a DAX formula or a data analysis expression that is evaluated for each row. Calculated columns are computed based on the data that we have already loaded into the data model. Now let's try to understand now with an example. So here I have the Maven Analytics Pizza Challenge dataset. On my right hand side fields pane, you can see I have already loaded 4 tables: order details, orders, pizza types and pizzas. Now I already have a price column in the pizzas table, but right now I want to calculate a new column or a new field in the order table of price. You can see in the order details, we already have the fields of order details ID, order ID, pizza ID and quantity. So I want to add a new column of price and later on a new column for sales in this table. So let's see how we can create the calculated column. So we can simply go to the data view here and go and click on new column. So you can see the formula panel has already opened up. Let's name the new column as price. Now I'm going to calculate price based using a lookup function in Power BI, which is similar to a VLOOKUP which you use in Excel. So I click on lookup value. The result column name will be pizza's table price. Then the search column will be pizza ID from the pizza table. And the last column, that is search value, would be pizza ID from the orders table. We'll close the bracket, we'll press enter, and you can see we have got the price for different pizza IDs. Okay. Now similarly, let's create a sales column. So this time I'm going to simply go to the table in which I want to show the sales column. Do a right hand side click and we have an option of new column. Let's click on it. So the formula pane has again opened up. Let's name the new column as sales. So how do we calculate sales? It's very simple. We will multiply quantity by the price which we created just now. So we'll take the quantity order from the order details table and we will simply multiply it by the price from the order tables which we just now created. So once we press enter, we get the sales. Now if we want to show this total sales value, we can simply go to the report view. Let's add a new sheet and let me use a KPI card and pull the total sales from the order details table. We can see the sum of sales or the total sales is already reflecting here. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.